Hello and welcome to the channel. So in this video we'll discuss about the strategies that we use today, and we will also discuss about our position that we took today. So before going to see about the position and strategies, if you want to get started in share market, I have given the link in the description of this video. You can use this link to open a DEMAT account and get all the courses that are featured in our website plus our support. So you can WhatsApp this number after opening an account. You can send the client ID, kite ID to this account and get the support and courses. Now let's quickly see our positions and what we did and what was the rationale behind taking those strategies and everything. So first, if you see last session, I've taken 11,250 PE and 1100 PE. So these are the two positions that I took in the last week, considering the Nifty was very strong. We had off on Friday due to Gandhi Jayanti, so I took this position on Thursday. So what I did is, considering the market was on the positive side, it just recovered from the crash and again touched 11,200 and it went all the way up to 11,400. So considering this, I thought the market would not come again down. So I sold the put option and further I bought a put option which is little away. So by selling, I received a premium. Here by buying, I paid a premium. So the net premium will be my profit when it expired on 8th October. But I chose intraday and I also closed because of there is a issue with Trump getting corona. So because of that, I thought the market might again come down. So because of that, I closed this position. I came up with a profit of nearly 500 rupees in this one position. Next, what I did is, after some time the market was very strong and it was trading at 11,500. So what I did is, I again implemented the strategy in 11,350 and 250 put options. So I did that and I came out with some profit in that. So the next strategy was like L&T. So here I did a short straddle. So what I did is I sold 900 call and 900 put basically. So the objective of the strategy is to, whenever the stocks near the whenever the stocks near the expiry day, the premium will start decreasing. So that was the objective of the strategy. So by considering this, I sold L&T October 900 CE and I came out with a profit of 300 in this. So whenever you sell both the call and put of the same strike price, which is currently at the money, there will be a change when there is a profit on one side which is more higher on the other side. So you can use that gap and make some profit and exit. But for that you need little higher capital. So that is one thing. So next we will discuss about the TCS. So I used the same strategy in TCS also. 2680 CE and 2680 PE. So in this I made around 800 rupees, 390 on both sides. So I said by taking this strategy, at one point we will have profit on the other side and loss on another side, but there will be some point where profit will be on both side and loss will be on the both side intersection. Then only it will change the trend. So we need to point out that particular specific time and come out. So this is one strategy. Then I sold 2,900 TCS. So made a profit of 240 in that. So TCS already went up nearly 7% today. You can see how TCS for 7.23%. So I thought TCS might come little down, might correct. So because of that I sold, but again it came up. So I kept SL and came out. Then on the Techem front, Techem was bullish for the last one month or 1 week actually. So I sold 840 call and simultaneously bought 860 call. So what happened is I made a net profit of 1,000 rupees, 1,100 rupees in that. So my total profit today stood at 2,265. I think we need to little aggressively do quick scalping. I made a loss of 3,000 here. This is a pure strategy. On the other side we had a profit of 2,800. So I reduced this strategy. This is a bull put spread strategy which I executed. The market had corrected little bit during when it came down all the way up to 450. So I thought again it shouldn't crash. So because of that I closed this position with the loss of 700. So if I made that 700, we could have stood a profit of 3000. So I'll try to continuously post my trades so that it will be a very good learning for you also. So thank you, bye bye.